great day.
Wait, keep waving, I'll take a video.
Oh, I can see me. This last since creation, according to their legends, archaeological evidence. So here's the project. We're going to level the floor and then put all that flagstone down. A lot of gaps and cracks, so we're repairing those things. And we're going to build a little hearth area here for a wood stove. It's good, fun work.
Then you can just drop it like that if you want to talk or...
Just a little bit, but just a tiny bit start. And then you just, usually from this side, where the flat side is, then you just kind of add the dry ingredients to the water. I mean, we're not leveling it, it's not helping. So.
So this is the well from the old Perrin estate. And the Perrin are the people who made Liam Perrin's Worcester sauce.
I had no idea those are. I knew parents. I had no idea the. Quite as well.
Two cement, six
If I look
sand.
at it like that, I would almost say like, did you guys put enough cement? Like I'd be sort of skeptical.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I did put 2.
But no, if you guys put 2, it's just because it just needs to be like we'll do 12 sand and 4 cement for the next one because we have only room to do there. When you see a good example here of something we have to be careful, you see these? Since
yeah.
the bottom is
Big gap.
yeah, so you
yeah.
really want to make sure that
You can't have any open spaces.
no, exactly, no voids at all,
No
as
voids.
much as possible.
Yeah.
Okay, so
We're looking at Japanese beetles. Trying to gauge whether there's going to be an infestation this year or not. And Brian Phelan, who I mentioned earlier, released millions and millions of nematodes a few weeks ago. So maybe that got to them.
put away my tools and
But we're not sacking out stones.
no, we can't.
So this is what it's like at the end of a volunteer day. The whole crew is sitting here relaxing and talking about their day while we wait for Captain Albert and the Captain's Pride to come and pick us up. Beautiful day.
Brother, I'm what you mean, brother. I got buried in diesel. I had to go on machine. Come on, now I'm over. Yeah.
Are you parked over there? Yeah.